I wish I turned on the TV. It was Mimo. Cause Mimo a lame ass nigga.
Instagram and Facebook don't allow us to post.
I wish it was Mimo.
But what you gotta do is,
Hey, Mimo gonna die before me, y'all.
from there, you gonna just enjoy it. Make sure you share.
And it's BDK Friday. Hey, Mimo gonna die before me, y'all.
Gang, street, hey man.
Yeah.
Hey, man, if you want some more daily juice,
Fuck Vaughn.
follow your boy on Instagram and Twitter, Street Juice TV. Make sure to like, share, comment, everything for this video for the movement. Street Juice TV, we're going global. Gang.
Damn, somebody heard about they mans. Oh, gang. Everybody on this
bit. 100 in the building. You already know it's the Real Field TV. Hey, look, I want to give one up for King Von, R.I.P. You know, it's unfortunate it had to come to this. It's unfortunate I'm making another video like this. And I want to start off like that. I had to start this whole video over. I finished the video for you all, and I went hard and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? And real talk, what's crazy is that I had to come back and do this. I don't even feel right doing this video, bro. Like, it's crazy. You know, I just finished the video. The video was hype, bro. The video was crazy. You know what I'm saying? And then right after, you know what I'm saying, I finished the video, my old lady was like, boy, hey, you know King Von, he gone. You know what I'm saying? And it was reports of people earlier that was talking about what happened and stuff like that at the Atlanta club and stuff like that. And, you know, it was even reports of him actually being, you know what I'm saying, gone at first. You see what I'm saying? And I was saying that it was all speculation and we need to see what happened and see what transpired. And then she tell me this. You see what I'm saying?